No, the tribulation will not begin on September 23rd. Scripture makes clear that the Antichrist, called the little horn in Daniel, will only rise from a system of 10 kings. Revelation explains these rulers do not yet have kingdoms, but will receive power for a short time together with the beast. Until this system is revealed, the Antichrist cannot be known. That means date setting and speculation miss the true focus. The real expectation of believers is not the rise of the man of lawlessness, but the coming of Christ for his bride. Our hope is not tied to earthly calendars, but to his promise. He will come to gather all who love him, to bring us home. Do not fear the Antichrist, but fix your eyes on Jesus. Live ready, watch in faith, and let your heart burn with the joy of his soon return.